What's up, my people? This is Victor Isibo Reviews once again. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews, a YouTube channel that seeks to motivate you, a YouTube channel that makes you a better version of yourself every day, teaching you how to make the best financial decisions, investment decisions, savings, spirituality, morals, pretty much everything that makes you a better version of yourself every day. Stuff like this is what motivates you and brings you to YouTube. Consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification icon, put it on all so that you don't miss my subsequent videos. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's a pleasure having you back on this channel. And so I was taking a rest yesterday, and a very beautiful lady on Telegram was telling me about Ant USDT. Said you could make money from cryptocurrency mixing. I'm like, mixing? What are you mixing? Is cryptocurrency a cream? Or is this salad? Or is this soup or stew that you are mixing it? And what are you mixing it with? So it got me curious, and I found out that, okay, there are some marketers who are really pushing this. So I decided to take a look at it. And here is the website right in front of you. Trust me, there is no too much information on the website. Okay, these guys, they just put on, it's just an affiliate registration site, like a login form. These guys don't have time to waste. They are not spending time doing packaging and all that. You want to suspect that we are scammers? Yes, we are not hiding it. We're going to keep it simple, because after all, this is just a temporal thing. We just want to rake in as much money as we can and, bail out. Okay, so they're not trying to be deceptive. They're not trying to convince you. They are all up in your face like, yo, this is what it is. Okay, let's take a look at the website again. They talk about Ants Coin Shuffle. Okay, from my findings about this company, I know that they operate a uni-level structure in their pyramid. Okay, level 1, people refer the people in level 2 and level 3, like that. And their compensation plan is, also uni-level. Okay, level 1, personally recruited affiliates, you get 30% of the earnings of those you refer personally in your level 1. Then in your level 2, you earn 20% of their earnings. Level 3, you earn 10% of their earnings. Level 4 to level 6, you earn 5% of their earnings. So you earn 6 levels deep. Okay. Okay, I just clicked on trend on the website, and you can see BTC USDT loading. Like, see, when you open a website and you're seeing typographical errors, wrong spellings, poor English, it's a red flag, guys. It goes to tell you that these guys, some people, they don't just want to spend too much time designing something that they know is very temporal. So they don't pay attention to little details. What is loading? Is this so difficult to spell loading? Loading. They are saying loading. Okay, so they're talking about ant information. Okay, they are talking about blockchain science and all that. And from their YouTube channel, the alleged CEO, they said their CEO's name is Andy. This Andy is just, trust me, this is just some random stock photo model. Okay, he has featured and played different roles before. Here you see him playing the role of a pilot somewhere. Okay, you see him relaxed in a taxi here. You see him as a family man here. Okay, see, go to all those freelance websites, like Fiverr.com. You will see guys who are ready to act under any name and claim to be the CEO of any company at all. That is why you see many of the CEOs of many of the failed platforms in the past, you see them in multiple companies claiming to be CEO. XYZ is paying right now. Somebody is claiming, oh, my name is Andy, I'm the CEO of XYZ. And another day, you see ABC company. The same person is answering, oh, my name is Michael, I'm the CEO of ABC. So these guys are just hustling, trying to make some money. And let me put up a disclaimer. This review I'm doing, I'm doing it with so much disgust, because the scam here is so glaring, and I'm beginning to wonder, why would anybody fall for this? Why? I mean, just why? This website, USDT, is just 100% scam. Trust me, guys. By my own standard, is 100% scam. But I'm putting up a disclaimer. This is not investment or financial advice. I will not take any responsibility for any profits or any losses you make, basing your decision on my reviews. I'm only giving my own opinion. I do not have the final say. I might say something is a scam and it ends up being legit. I might say it's a legit one and ends up being a scam. Don't take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. But in the case of USDT, I'm telling you that this is a scam. This is a scam. So the USDT affiliates, they invest their cryptocurrency because they are being promised returns. Okay, the returns could be less than 1%. They are being paid every 12 to 14 hours. Okay, the specific ROI rates are determined by which cryptocurrency the USDT affiliate invests in. Okay, see, they have Ants, Coin, Shuffle. The percentages are there. The unilevel compensation structure. Okay, it places an affiliate at the top of a unilevel, with every personally recruited affiliate placed directly under them, from level 1, of course, to level 6. Okay, so you can join for free. You join for free. After you join, then you have to make an investment. It's this doesn't look good, guys. This doesn't look good, guys. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll rate this as 0. 100% scam, guys. So in my opinion, this is a scam, and it's not worth your time. It's not worth your energy. Stay away from USDT, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, share it with your friends and associates, especially on social media. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that before, because potentially I may just have saved you a lot of money. Okay? So till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor C. Boys. Bye for now.